All right, let's see. Oh my goodness. Dude, like, it's just enough sea salt, and you taste the cinnamon is like super, super. It tastes like a delicious cinnamon cereal. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got a surprise snack for you that's healthy, and it will replace, I'm tired, it's been working out. It will replace all the unhealthy snacks you've been eating. All that coming up right now. To the channel. Thank you for following me. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button. I'm saying that first off because it is very important. It really helps the channel out and the algorithm, as you all know. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all notifications because it's a 4-tier menu. And please share the video. All right. We know that we like, all of us, a lot of us have the urge to snack in between our regular meals. And snacking is one of the things that causes us to put on extra calories we don't really want to. Snacking is what causes us to put on extra calories. A lot of us have pretty clean meals, but it's the snacking that does us in. So I got an alternative, something I just found that was given to me actually. I got it from a food pantry. I can't believe they make this. In addition to this healthy snack that I'm going to reveal momentarily, I'm going to show you guys how to make one of the healthiest types of seeds or nuts, whatever you want to call it, even healthier. But let's get into it. Thank you guys for following me. Come back for more fitness and nutrition content always. All right, let's give you a example of this. This is a snack called Andy's Caps barbecue fries. Okay, they're not real fries. Okay, they're toxic, they're satiating, but they're empty calories, and they leave you hungry very soon. They're empty calories. No nutritional value. Check out the ingredient list on this. Okay, the ingredient list in most of the snacks in America is horrible. Seed oils, multi-dextrose, extra sodium, food colorings, fillers, all that kind of stuff. Now I'm gonna read to you what this has in it. Degermed yellow cornmeal, vegetable oil. In parentheses, it has palm and or cottonseed oil. So that means it could have either or both. Then you got sugar. Then you got salt. TBHQ for freshness. That's a preservative. Okay, all preservatives are toxic to your immune system and are toxic to your digestive tract. Okay, less than 2% of, it says salt, less than 2% of TBHQ. Then it has water, chili powder, molasses powder, onion powder, paprika, tomato powder, yeast extract, smoke flavor, citric acid, dried whey, garlic powder, paprika extract for food coloring, natural flavors. That's also an ingredient you don't need. There's nothing natural about natural flavors, and it contains milk. Okay, so let's take a look at the back of that. Okay, that's for food. That's for your reference. That ingredient list is like a paragraph long. We all eat Lay's, Wise, Hers potato chips. A lot of us like potato chips. They make it in just the right combination of ingredients where it tastes like really delicious, and they're addictive. Let's be honest, they're very addictive. We love popcorn. Unfortunately, movie popcorn is trash. I stopped eating it years ago. I mean, it tastes really good with the extra butter and the extra salt. You eat all that every time you go to the movie theater, and then once we get it, we get like a portion that's like enough for like 6 people, that big popcorn basket. Okay, unfortunately, that's toxic. There's nothing good about that. And it's just, I was like, what can I do? Why don't they make a healthy popcorn? You got Orville Redenbacher, you got Smart Food, but Smart Food popcorn, All the other potato chips, like I first stated, they got terrible ingredients, and ingredient lists are like 1 to 2 large paragraphs. You don't want all those chemicals in your body. So, the snack that I came across yesterday, guys, is a popcorn. And this is a protein popcorn. Bam! You see this? Protein popcorn. Cinnamon roll. Made with real ingredients. 7 grams of protein per serving. Alright, enlarged show texture. Gluten-free. Whole grain. Non-GMO. No seed oils. Whole grain. Gluten-free. Non-GMO. No seed oils. I've never seen this brand before. Cloud, starting with a K, KHLOUD, protein popcorn cinnamon roll. Are you kidding me? Then I go to the back. I'm saying, are they just trying to blow smoke up our butts? Let me see what's on the back. Then I read the back and it says, good stuff. Simple ingredients you can produce. Simple ingredients you can pronounce. Naturally derived complete protein. Made with olive oil. Full flavor and taste. No artificial colors. No fillers or fake stuff. No unhealthy seed oils. No weird aftertaste. This little square right here. That's the chart I was reading off of. Okay. The brand is called Cloud. KHLORD. LOUD. Cloud. I've never seen it before. So when I turn around the back and I continue on the back, I say, okay, total fat 9 grams, trans fat 0, cholesterol 0, sodium 150. It's really low for potato chips or any kind of snack like this. Popcorn. Total carbohydrates 13 grams, dietary fiber 1 gram, total sugar 6 grams. That's it. Protein 7 grams per serving. And they say it's 5 servings per container in here. Potassium, negligible, iron, 2%. And this is the biggie. It includes 6 grams of added sugar. So those sugars are added, but this is where they came from. I'm going to the ingredient list. The ingredient list comes from cane sugar. It's cane sugar. It's a natural sugar from the sugarcane plant. The ingredients: popcorn, milk protein isolate, cane sugar, olive oil, coconut oil, sea salt, cinnamon. Real cinnamon, made with real cinnamon. Non-GMO, says woman owned, proudly woman owned. Good going, ladies, good going. Cloud protein popcorn. Protein popcorn. I've never seen this before. So listen, maybe I'll look for this in between my whole food organic meals at home and at work. I'll eat this instead. I haven't opened up, so let's see. Let's see how it is. Show you guys how this thing tastes. Wow. You know, if they're lying, I'm gonna tell you guys. Wow, you can even see the texture of like the cinnamon on there. You can see the texture of the cinnamon. It's like a dark, little brownish hue. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness. Dude, like, it's just enough sea salt. You can taste a little bit. And you taste the cinnamon is like super. It tastes like a delicious cinnamon cereal, as if you're eating it without the coconut milk. Guys, this is amazing. Oh my God, this is incredible. Never seen this brand before. Bam, this is the morning time. I had my cayenne pepper, my aqua panna water, but I haven't even eaten. I just had my cayenne pepper and lemon water. I didn't even eat my sardines or avocado or my grapefruit yet. Damn, I'm being a bad boy. I'm eating this before breakfast, but it's healthy. Mmm. Wow. This is super delicious. I'm gonna spread this out so you can see this again. The spelling KHLOUD, Cloud. That's the brand. Protein popcorn. It's in a purple bag. I read everything to you. I'm going to read it again. Whole grain, gluten free, non-GMO, no seed oil. Women owned. Popcorn, milk protein, isolate, cane sugar, olive oil, coconut oil, sea salt, and real cinnamon. This is crazy. Naturally derived, complete protein, full flavor, no unhealthy seed oils, no fillers or fake stuff. Made with coconut and olive oil. Guys, you gotta just take a look and I guess type in cloud on Google or Amazon or whatever and see if you can find this. I got this at a food pantry, but I'm definitely gonna look for it. This is amazing. So with that, I'm going to drink a little bit of water. I told you guys I was going to share another snack with you, that you can make healthier. And the way you make it healthier, it's already healthy, but the way you make it absorbable in the human body is by putting it in the oven and roasting it. And they are pumpkin seeds, which I started roasting before I made the video. And here they are right here, raw organic pumpkin seeds from the health food store, raw organic pumpkin seeds. Okay, these are them roasted. The longer you roast them, the more they get a brown hue. They're slightly darker hue now, darker green hue. But you break down the hard composite shell on the outer portion of the pumpkin seed, and that allows your body to utilize at least 80 to 90% of the magnesium, the nutrition of it. They're high in zinc, magnesium, allows you to utilize it. Fresh raw like this, they're still healthy, but it says your body only utilizes and absorbs about 40% because of the shell. Like, it's not really a shell, but the coating. So, with that being said, ain't gonna be no more of these. We're gonna dive into these. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna have a lot more videos with healthy snacks, smoothie recipes, full-blown cooking recipes, and of course those hardcore workouts. Don't miss it. Tap that subscribe button, hit it, make sure you hit all subscriptions, like make sure you hit all notifications, not just the personalized. All the way to the top when you hit the bell, hit all. And guys, just share the video. And please, with all my videos, resonate and engage with the audience. Leave a comment below the video, and please hit that like button. It's so important. Share the video. Thank you guys, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Oh my!
Beats by Nevs.